All right, decided to do a little review of installation on the Easy Troller for my 50 horse Honda motor. I didn't see a lot of videos on YouTube, so I thought I'd take some pictures and video and show you what I did with mine. Okay, here's the part that makes everybody nervous and drilling the holes into this part of your boat motor. There it went through just fine. It worked real easy. What I did is I took the Easy Troller and I clamped it to this, and I used a Sharpie, marked the holes, made sure I was clear on the bottom, and drilled through. After I got that all drilled through, I used some paint in the holes. That way kind of seals it up nice from water, and that worked out pretty well too. All right, here's the little touch-up paint that I used. I actually bought this for boat touch-up, and it's pretty close to that silver color, so that worked good. I didn't have to spend any extra money to do that. All right, this little video will show the holes a little bit more. I'll turn the camera here so you can see it a little closer from the top side and then also the bottom side. Just try to avoid drilling holes through the moving parts. Okay, so basically what happened to me is the parts that came with it, I had two bags of fin bolts. Well, it should have been one of that, and then also one to mount the troller plate. So it actually worked out well. I ended up going to the hardware store and did a nice little upgrade. Bought some stainless steel carriage bolts and nuts and used those. That way I don't have any rusting going on. As you can see here, I don't have the nuts tightened down yet. All right, right here's kind of an important part. Just make sure you follow directions. It should be a minimum of 3 inches between the prop and that plate. In this case, I was like 5.5, and it said anywhere from 5 to 7 is good, I believe. So that worked out well. This next part here, I installed the fins. I bought the fin package because I really believe it'll give me a little more bolt control. I have a pretty light boat and it likes to blow around, and I think this will really help out with that. One down, one to go. It actually is real easy to do. As you can see, it turned out real well for me. The color actually matches the same color as the motor, which makes me happy because it just looks like it's always been there. I think it looks pretty sharp. It turned out well. Just make sure you tighten all those bolts down and all those nuts, and make sure you're ready to go. You'll notice that rope a little bit. I decided to get a plastic tee and kind of made a little handle for it. That rope has to be kept free so you can steer the boat either way. But I basically have it up there where I can use it. The key with these plates is make sure you don't have that plate down and you take off, because you're going to rip that plate right off. It has some spring mechanisms on it, but you have to make sure you take the time to disengage it and get it going, so that way you don't have problems. Overall, I would say the project was real easy to do. I think the biggest thing is overcoming the fears of drilling holes in your motor, and but if you do it, take your time. Make sure you get the right size drill bit and make sure you paint those holes up. It worked out pretty good for me. Overall, I mean, if I had had the right screws from the get-go, I don't know, probably would have taken me half hour, 45 minutes. I took my time. I was in no hurry, but it turned out really well. This will make a big difference. I'm putting fish in the boat, I hope. I hope that'll slow my trolling speeds down from, just idle trolling. You're going 2.5 miles an hour in this boat. It should bring it down to probably 1, which I like to fish walleyes in the 1 to 1.5 mile an hour range. I always seem to put a lot of walleyes in the boat that way. So, but overall, I would definitely do the project, and it's a nice upgrade. I think this cost me around $175 to do, because I had it with the fins. If you get it without the fins, I think it's around $120. $120. Overall, though, it was a great project. Nice upgrade. I'm going to be happy with it. Looking forward to trying it out tomorrow. Hey, thank you for watching. Have a good day.